boy, I'm in this till the death of me. I'm in this till the end, motherfucker. I let you ride with me, yeah, I let you ride with me. Let you get high with me, yeah, let you get high with me. When I'm up in my city, boy, I run it down. Best believe I hold it down, best believe I hold it down. I let you ride with me, yeah.
Just giving people nods like I know them. They're like, oh, I guess I know you. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go home and I fucking just pull up in the neighborhood some more, going deeper. Look at how it is. Look at how it is. Looks like these guys had some fun on 4th of July. They're silly string and shit. Look at this, they got all the chalk and silly strings all over the ground. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. That double turn, like that. Alright, we're gonna go a different way home, a detour. Go down the fucking road where the speed limit's like 45. This bike will just make it. It's supposed to rain, but it hasn't. It had a 40% chance. Ah, man, what will I do without a dirt bike? I need to always have a bike in my possession because they're so much fun. My shifter's a little bitch and doesn't like to shift. Starting second gear like a fucking noob. I'm not gonna do wheelies on the street. I can't go fast enough to keep up with traffic. The place I'm about to go up here is like Cop Central. It's like on the highway, like a big ass intersection. Fucking, so this will be fun. I'm gonna cut through a parking lot though, because I don't want to wait at that big ass intersection. No cops. Damn it. No, I don't need cops coming up where I am. That'd be sketch. Look at this big boy street. Fuck yeah. I gotta get home. I know everybody here. I'm like, oh, my friend lives there, my friend lives there. But nobody's home. Here's the baseball fields. This is where I played baseball when I was a real boy. I fucking, in one season, I did a total of 3 hits. I was a fucking monster. You know, I grew up around here and I always wanted a fucking dirt bike. And I never would have thought I would fucking be riding here, like doing fucking wheelies like I am today. Man, fucking life is great. Like, fucking amazing, guys. If you want something, go get it. I want a dirt bike. I went and bought it and I'm having a hell of a good time. Hell of a good time, guys. some wheelie circles, bro. I was like, bitch. This is a 50cc motorcycle, therefore I'm allowed to ride it on the street if I am of age and have my license. I don't have my license, bud, and it's not exactly a 50cc bike, so I guess I am breaking the law. Don't know why I feel. Oh, we're gonna hit this jump. Here we go. Bitch, please. I said a bitch, I go curb stopping all day, bitch. I keep thinking. I'm hearing this thing right here. My mom went to Italy and she came back with this thing. If you buy one and you give it away, it's good luck. So I put on my ring because I need good luck because I crashed too much. Oh, there's people home at my wheelie. God damn it. This is my place to do wheelies. What are you doing here? No. Yeah, my wheelie practice spot is a school, guys. And I think what happened. Fuck. Oh, did you see that shit? I almost ate shit on that. Anyway, I think people are coming. It's time to come back to work at school at the middle school, so they've stolen my wheelie spot back. I'm gonna wheelie the black part. Nope. Didn't do it. I couldn't do it. Darn it. I guess this is gonna end the vlog. Actually, why am I doing the outro? I'm gonna go ride in the fields. I fucking know I'm gonna go ride in the Pitbike track. I fucking know I'm gonna ride in the Pitbike track. I don't know why the fuck I even thought about doing that shit. Bitch. I knew I was gonna ride in this shit. I knew it. I knew I was gonna fly by. Knew it. I gotta maintain this shit. There's like a bunch of sticks and stuff in the way. I do not ever maintain this track. Your knobbies are so flat, they look like slicks. Bitch, I'm on the dirt, okay? Look at me. Look how fast I go up this. Look at this, look at this. Ready? Bap, bap, rap, rap. I'm fucking fine. I don't need no shit. I'm gonna do some more wheelies, guys. I can't help myself. I'm gonna go up and down these streets like it's my own hood. With my old hood and my new clique. They call it my cool whip. Man, I'm just like mixing 20 songs together. Fucking singing karaoke time with ZackGoes. Featuring Wheelies. It's about to be 3 o'clock. About to have to head in, you know? You know? Blowing stop signs like a Meek Mill. I don't know if Meek Mill blows stop signs, but apparently he does now. Alright guys, we're about to pull the biggest wheelie of the century. Get your cameras ready, because this is going to be a good one. Awkward. Here we go, Zan. This is going to be the wheelie of the century. I'm going to wheelie all the way up the street. Starting now. There we go, bitch. That was pretty good. That was pretty fucking good. Goddamn. In my old hood with my new whip. Something, they call it my cool whip. I'm a wheelie machine. Twice that time I thought I was gonna fall back, but I kept the wheelie going. God damn, Zach, you're so stupid. Key, why you so stupid video.
Why are you so S-T-U-P-I-D stupid? Oops, I forgot you can't spell stupid. You can't spell stupid. You can't spell stupid. You can't spell stupid.
keep saying I'm gonna end it, but I'm like, last wheelie. Now I'm doing one more wheelie, guys. I'm gonna race around to the spot where I'm gonna wheelie, and that's gonna be it. Why do I have to stop here? Blow that stop sign. Well, not my last wheelie, but it's gonna be the last street I wheelie on. There we go. This time I'm definitely gonna end the vlog, guys. Anyway, if you enjoyed, guys, hit that like button. If you like this point, at any time, hit that fucking like button. Helps me out a ton. I really appreciate that shit. Let's go for 25 likes. If we pass 25 likes, let's fucking go for 30. We pass 30, let's go for 100 million bajillion. Yeah, let's do it. If you enjoyed this shit, hit that subscribe button for some more shit. Anyways, I'm out, motherfucker. Bitch boy. Boy, bitch boy. Oh my god, bitch boy. I'm gonna wheelie into my garage. First gear, feet on the ground. Come on, come on, good enough. Come on, kickstand, god damn it.